Lesson 9, Geometry, Terms and Labels in Geometry, Plane Segment. What we're going to do now is erect a finite two-dimensional object. So we have a line like so, traversing from left to right, but actually a finite two-dimensional object is bound by line segments. So we'll draw a first line segment, like so. My linearity is a little off, so just pretend like this is a straight line. And then a second line adjoining the first. So this is one dimension, left to right, or east or west to east, east to west, north to south, south to north, second dimension. So we can just extend this concept. And so we're still bound by two dimensions here. We have the west-east, east-west direction, and south-north or north-to-south direction. And we'll extend this idea over like so. So a finite two-dimensional object receives the term plane segment. Plane segment. For the simple fact that it's bound by two dimensions. And these dimensions are line segments. They could be lines also, but I'm just, drawing a segment for easier understanding. And every day you encounter things like sheets of paper. Technically, a sheet of paper is a three-dimensional object because you have, length, width, and although it's paper thin, it still has some type of depth. But we're just going to pretend that this is an infinitesimally depth object. So it's only a two-dimensional object for our purposes, okay? So a plane segment is bound by two dimensions.